Chen from China on the effect of diet on the synthesis ability and gene expression of mandibular glands in honeybee.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Ya-Nan from Zhejiang University. I'm very honored to have the opportunity to do this presentation. Today, the title of my presentation is Effect of different diets on the synthesis ability and gene expression of mandibular gland in honeybee workers. We all know that pollen is an important source of nutrition for bees, which can meet the nutrition requirement of bees. And pollen provides the protein, vitamins, and minerals and other micronutrients. But nutritional deficiency, there was many relationship research showed that nutritional deficiency reduced the bee immediate gland development and the synthesis ability, honeybee stress resistance, metabolic pathways. For production of the bee products, raw jelly is important. We all know that raw jelly is an extraction of mandibular and hypophalangeal glands of workers. It is the food of the workers and joints with 3 days, but it is so food of the work for queens for her whole life. Now, raw jelly has also used in commercial medical products, healthy foods, and cosmetics. For the production of raw jelly, mandibular gland is important, which is a pair of large cyclic ice-cream glands on either side of the inner south of bee's head. And the worker mandibular glands mainly produce omega-hydroxyltic acid, including 10-HDA, and its recycled 10-HDA, which account for 16 to 18% of the total fatty acid composition of raw jelly, and which influence the level growth. So in this study, we adopt the keeping breeding to artificial control the feeding condition of bees, and experimental were provided with 5 different nutritional levels of diets, which is about pollen, sugar candy, and south bean sugar only, and 0%, 0.5% citric acid and cress acid. And after 6 and 9 and 12 days, we collect 10 beans from each experimental growth. And the content of 10-HDA and 10-HDA in the head of workers were determined by high-phase gas chromatography. We found that the content of 10-HDA and 10-HDA, the head of workers filled with pollen had the highest fatty acid contents among the different diets, and are significantly increased that the head of workers filled with fatty acid on 6 and 9 days. During this experiment, we found that the two fatty acids reduced tends a stable value respect that there was a certain relationship between the two fatty acids. And in 5 different, there was a decreasing trend from 6 days to 12 days, and different diet groups had the same regulation. According to the changes about the two fatty acids, we adopt the same method above, and to dissect the mandibular gland to match the protein concentration of mandibular gland. The result showed that there was no difference of the protein concentration of mandibular gland among the different diets and different ages about that. To further study that the factor of different diets on the mandibular gland mechanism of mandibular gland services ability, we adopt the same feeding method above, and to collect symbols of 6, 9, and 12 days. And then the mandibular gland were decided for extraction, and there was some relationship so that important regulative genes involved in the hydrolysis and beta oxidation of fatty acid, and high expression of either worker's mandibular gland. So we select 4 different genes involved in hydrolysis and beta oxidation of fatty acid. The CYP6ASH is involved in hydrolysis of fatty acid. CPT1, ACOX1, ACOX3 are important mitochondrial beta oxidation and peroxidase beta oxidation. Our results showed that there was no difference of the expression of mandibular gland CYP6ASH. So we suggest that the hydrolysis of fatty acid was not changed by fatty acid supplemental. And the expression of ACOX1 in mandibular gland, we found that there was significantly increased in the head of workers fed with fatty acid on 6, 9, and 12 days. And the expression of CPT1 genes had the same regulation on 6 and 12 days old. But the expression of ACOX3 involved in the same regulation of beta oxidation. There was no difference among the different diets and age groups. But there is a decreasing trend on the three age groups. So according to the changes about my data, we surmised that nutritional did affect the fatty acid contents, but did not affect the composition of fatty acid, and did not affect the protein concentration of mandibular gland, did not affect the expression of genes in fatty acid synthesis pathways. But artificially added fatty acid increased the expression of fatty acid beta oxidation genes. Taken together, our results show that provided insights for the nutritional requirements of mandibular glands and indicate nutrition deficiency affects the beta oxidation genes involved in the fatty acid. Thank you for attention.